make me dash way. My baby, he always got money. Throw me the O, make me dash away. My baby, he always...
Alright guys, so the first thing I'm doing is I've compiled all the different size pearls that I have. If you guys remember, I did a DIY pearl video for some jeans, and these are my leftovers. So I just separated them into the different sizes. These are the biggest pearls. These are the third to smallest ones that I have, and the second to smallest ones that I have. And then I have like really tiny ones, as you can see in here. But in any event, I just kind of pile them on the end of my coats because I haven't decided which size to go for. And none of these are glued down yet. I'm just kind of playing with the placement. I'm thinking of maybe using the smaller pearls. Sorry, using the smaller pearls along the pockets, maybe, I'm not sure. And then just kind of playing around with the placement of my pearls to kind of see like how I want it. I have to take into consideration wearing my bag, my work bag. So I didn't want to put any pearls around the shoulder or on the sleeves because I didn't want to get caught in my bag and they end up mistakenly being pulled off or breaking. So that's the first step. The first step is kind of placement. Try seeing where you want to put your pearls before you start adhering. All right, so I decided to remove the pearls off the pockets. I thought it was a bit much, but I did end up extending the line of pearls. Initially, I was just gonna have them on the top breast part, but I decided to extend it a little bit towards the 3/4 length from the end of the coat, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Initially, I wanted to DIY my pearl on my red wool coat, but I can't find it, and this coat is a couple of years old, so I figured I'll do it on this coat. But I do recommend if you're going to do this DIY to try it out yourself, that you do it on a brightly colored wool coat. I think it would look sensational if you go that route, but either way, I have a feeling that this coat's gonna look awesome either way. So let's get straight into adhering them.
Throw me the O, make me dash away. My baby, he always got money. We're living that good life, yeah. Living that champagne life, living that good life, yeah. We're living that champagne life. Ask me to restore, I wanna be his keeper. Angelina, I'm on fire. Fly but I'm flyer, wanna take you higher, but it's rudeness me.
It's okay if in doing the glue kind of goes outside the pearls a little bit. It'll be fine because the pearls, the glue will dry clear, so you won't have any kind of residue on your coat or on the pearls. So don't worry about if you get the glue seeping around the diameter of the pearl buttons. So let's continue.
We're living that good life, yeah. Living that champagne life, living that good life, yeah. We're living that champagne life. Ask me to restore, I wanna be his keeper. Angelina, I'm on fire. Fly but I'm flyer, wanna take you higher, but it's rudeness we can't take. Easy's on them like you can, yeah. My baby, he always got money. We're living that champagne life, living that good life. Make money, live life.